In order to work on the washer fluid reservoir, the connector on the coolant expansion reservoir must be unplugged and the reservoir placed to one side. For more freedom of movement, you should also unplug the connector for the brake fluid. This creates enough space to reach the pumps. First we remove the pump that is responsible for the headlamp cleaning system. This is followed by removing the pump for the rear window wiper and finally the pump that supplies washer fluid to the windshield wipers. The switch that measures the fill level must also be removed. Now, unscrew the two mounting bolts and take off the washer fluid reservoir. On the bench we can see what needs to be checked. The sealing rings must be checked to see whether they are okay or if they should be replaced. The same applies for the float, which is responsible for the fill level reading.